How to capture text from an image? So I have a better solution for you. You can easily capture any text from an image on your Android device. Just follow few steps. So I'll show you how can you copy a text from an image. So if you want to copy any image from an if you want to copy any text from an image, then you just go to the Play Store. I will show you. Go to the Play Store on your mobile and just download TextFairy, TextFairy, TextFairy. And after downloading it open TextFairy like this. This one TextFairy, you can see this one, and you open this, click on it, and here you click. You see all the options here, and you just click on that image. But one thing you remember, you cannot copy the handwriting image. So any kind of image you choose from the file. Choose any file which you want to copy the text. So I am searching the file. Okay, now I choose this file. You see the text on the image. You just use this and adjust the size, crop the image, and you choose any column. I choose this column. You see the app will start reading the text 0%. Now it will start like this. It goes to 100%. Then you can choose PDF option also, or you can copy the text. This text you can open in any app, or you can share the text. This button you can share it to WhatsApp also, Bluetooth also, or you can copy the text and you can paste like Office app, and you can edit the text. See, I opened MS Office, and you see the text here. After signing on the MS Office, you can edit easily those texts. See how it come nicely. You can edit by clicking on this, or you can converting your PDF. You see, or you can directly, if you want to copy text from an image, you just open the camera option. I'll show you. You see, I click on the camera button, and you take any picture from any book. Just click on it, and image will be captured. Like this, and press OK. Then loading image. You see, image is loading. Then you adjust the text, which one you want to copy. Adjust this one nicely. Okay, I want to copy those text only. copying image, then I choose this column. So all the text will come. Now app will read the text. Wait for a minute, then you see reading text showing here. 99% saving the document. Now you can copy the text easily and you can paste WhatsApp or any other app where you want to paste. But copy it nicely and take a nice image. But one thing you remember, you cannot copy the handwriting. Okay, this app cannot study the handwriting.